My name is Dr. Harry Benjamin. I grew up in Jamaica, became a medical doctor there. And soon afterwards, I became a distributor of automobiles while I was in medical practice and started earning more money distributing automobiles part-time than I was working for the government of Jamaica. So I switched over and became an entrepreneur. And since then, I've been an entrepreneur, haven't looked back. My wife and I did very well in the automobile business. We moved from Jamaica to Florida. We did some real estate investments there. The real estate mortgage crisis held us a big blow where we lost millions of dollars and then we fell into a deep financial valley. We were able to get out of it using the network marketing industry. I'm very grateful for that industry all the day long. And in 2020, we were in Lagos, Nigeria. After being there for about at the time, we've spent a total of 8 years in Nigeria doing the network marketing business that we even still benefit from today. But while being there during COVID-19, we were locked down at home. I think all of us remember that experience. And I got introduced to this company. I started off as an affiliate in Xtreamfx Global Academy, and I paid a little bit over $100. You can pay $168 to register if you want. And I got to work, started marketing the academy to people, and they started paying me commissions. As you see on the screen here, compensation plan. Our company will pay you commissions if you introduce members to come and get into the education. But while being involved, I started noticing a lot of people were earning money from the education, way more money than I was earning from marketing to people. So there are people who came into education seriously, went through the program, started learning how to trade on their phones and laptops, and they ended up earning more money than I was earning from marketing. So as a result of that, I decided I needed to learn the trading as well. The great thing about marketing first is that you will be able to get the education for free. Also, we added financial services recently. You can also take advantage of those, whether it's to build, get personal credit done, business credit, funding, and so forth. And we also added our health and wellness line of products that you could use for yourself, plus you could market them and make money. So we have the marketing side, but what has really resulted in a lot of people earning a lot of money, way more than marketing could pay us, is the education. The education literally helps us to make way more money than you could marketing the company, okay? So the education is the star. It's just that some people may not have the time and the money to afford it. Even though it's so affordable, it's only $99 a month, $89 or $159 a month, and then we have a level for $199 a month called the US 30 Academy. But a lot of people do not have the time and the money to afford the education, as small as it is, right? So what we have in place is the affiliate program. If you do that affiliate program, you could qualify for $500 or $1,000 a month in our program. And like I did, get the education for free, right? So if you do the affiliate side, if you don't, then just pay for the education out of your pocket. Is it worth it? Yes. There are many people who have come in, paid the $99 a month, and have gone on to earn a lot of money. Now, today, you have the opportunity to buy the Saftey Trade product. It's only $599 for a 1-year license and $75 a month for the signals. Now, what is the Saftey Trade product? For example, you've never traded before, right, Dexter? And that's fine.
Never.
I've never traded before either. So what happened is that I came in first, did the affiliate, I invited friends and family to come and get registered. And then once that was done and I was earning money, I started going through the education. I started learning what a PIP was, what a lot size is, what is a trading account. I started learning the currency pairs and all of that by going through the education program. We have a set of videos, a wonderful set of videos. If I were just to briefly log in here and show them to you, we have an amazing set of videos, right, that will allow for anybody to come in here as a beginner, not know anything at all about trading, right? And then literally come in here and learn how to be a trader, right? I'm clicking on the Academy library to show that to you. This is super fantastic, where you can literally come in here and watch these videos one after the other, and live classes, the Academy, right? You'll be able to attend London session, Asian session, New York, and then we have the videos for the library, the beginner, intermediate, and advanced level. This is just so beautiful. So you can come in and watch the beginner section, intermediate section, and advanced section, and you could just come in and click on the various sections and watch them, and literally come in and then learn how to do the trading. So you'd pay $99 a month to have access to this first-class platform where you learn what is Forex, why, trading basics. You go through all of these videos step by step. And once you understand the beginner section, then you could start to dive in a little bit more into some of that, not advanced stuff, but some of the stuff that's a little bit more intense, right? So you'll be able to understand currency pairs, Forex versus stocks. All of this is here for you if you pay the $99 a month, along with live classes. So we also have live trading classes that you'll be able to join with the master traders and ask them questions. So you could move from somebody who doesn't know anything at all about trading to now understanding trading. Now, once you understand trading, then the basics, then you can get ready to use this technology. Now, this is super fantastic because what this does, let's look at this BTC USD right here, right? Let's just look at this chart. Because you could literally trade this today, right now. You could be trading this right now. And in fact, I was able to win some trades on this weekend. And this is Sunday, right? And this is a live chart on the screen. If you pay attention to this right here at the end, you'd see another green dot just popped up. You may have seen that a while ago. You see a green line shoot up in the air? Did you see that happen?
Yeah.
Right. So this is a live market that we're looking at with Bitcoin versus the US dollar. So when you get the education from us, you're going to be able to understand that these are candlesticks and these little thin lines are called wicks. You'll know this red line is called a moving average. You'll also learn and understand buying and selling in the market and how that can make money. What happens is that if you know, right, that the market is going to go, if you buy something low, Dexter, and sell it high, would you make money? If you buy something for a low price and sell it for a high price, would you make money?
Yeah, sure.
Yes. So what happens is this: if you are able to know beforehand that the market is right here, it's right here, and if you knew beforehand, let's go right back to here. If you knew beforehand, right, that the market was going to go up, you could buy it here and wait until it goes up to this point and sell it and you make money. So our system is designed to predict where the market is going to go. With the basic education, first you'll have to understand things like lots and pips and understand, currency pairs and understand the terminology used in the market to make sense of this. But once you understand that by paying the $99 a month, then what you can do is you buy this technology. This is $599 to have your technology look like this one. And then all you're going to be doing is that where this thin red line is, it's called a moving average. And then once these candlesticks are below it, that's the first thing we look for. The second thing we look for is when the green arrow or the red arrow pops up on the screen. So the first thing you would look for is, are these candlesticks below the red line? Can you see that, Dexter? Can you confirm?
Yes, I see it.
Right. Okay. The green arrow is pointing up. Can you see that the green arrow is on the screen now pointing up?
Yeah.
All right. Now, when the green arrow popped on the screen, these 5 levels, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we need for them to be all green. Right at the end of the screen, are these 5 levels all green right now?
No.
No, good. All right. So as time passes by, are they all green now after some time had passed? Because I slide the screen to the left, and that's how the screen moves over, right? Are they all green now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah. They're all green
yes. Now. Right. So there are 3 things that we look for already. 1, we saw that the candlestick was below the red line. 2, we saw the green arrow pop up. 3, we wait until all these 5 things are all green. Is that something you could do, Dexter?
Yeah, sure.
All right, great. The 4th thing you're going to wait on is as each of these lines come up, it's called a candle. Each of them take a minute to come up on the screen. Then we wait until this turns red. Can you see that the number 4, 1 from the bottom is red? 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see that?
Yeah, I've seen it.
Right. So what we wait for is for everything else to remain the same. Everything else is green, green arrow, This was below this R, below the line. And then this one became red. Then we're going to be trained on how to do what's called put in an order. We put in an order right here, right here. When we see turn red, we're going to right click in this box. Look for the word trading. Can you see the word trading in blue?
Yeah, I'm seeing it.
Yes, and then you go down to new order. Can you see new order here?
Yep.
Click it. And then once you click it, you're going to change this to pending order, change this to buy, because you're going to do what's called a buy stop. And then we're going to show you how to put this in. All right. Now, once you put that in, then you now have an order in the system. We're going to show you to put it just above that red line, a little bit above it. And then if the market, after this, if the market shoots up into the air, you're going to make money. So let's see if that happened. Right? What happened? What happened? Did the green candle shoot up in the air? Did you see that? Can you see that it went up in the air?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. And that's how you make money. Okay. And then here's another one coming up again. Can you see that little red dot right there when it turned red again? Can you see that?
Yep.
Okay, with right click again, keep trading, put in new order, put in another order. And then guess what? Right after that red, if it shoots up into the air, you would have made money. Did it go up into the air again, Dexter? Did it go up?
Yeah, it went up a little while.
Yes, went up even further, right? So that's how powerful this system is. Okay, and it's coming down again. This is coming down again. And if this turns red again, it's another opportunity for you to put in another order for it to go back up again and make money. Without the system, though, a trader would have to study the market and analyze and do a lot of study with what's called trend lines and support and resistance, Fibonacci, a lot of things they would have to do to predict where the market is going. But this gives us a huge benefit to be able to predict the direction of the market because of the technology we have. And all we're looking for is four things: the green arrow, the price was below the red line, everything else is green, this one turns red, and when it turns red, we're putting an order for a buy. If it was all red and we wait for it to turn green, like look at what happened here. This was all red. You could see this little green dot right here on the fourth level. Right, so we'd put in what's called a sell. We'd wait for it to push down. And see, it pushed down right here. So if we did put an order in here below this, you could have seen that would have won a trade. Okay, and then there's another one. That one took place, is another one there. All right, but once this top piece turns from red to green, that's no longer valid. We're trained not to put in an order at that point because the market is changing and starting to buy instead of sell. All right, and we could go back and find other sell red when the market was mostly red. All right, instead of green. Like here's a good example of it. See, it was all red. Okay, the red arrow was there, the price was above the red line, and you could see that little dot. Can you see that little green dot, Dexter? Can you see that little green dot right there on the fourth level? Can you see it? Yes. So we put in an order right below here, and then once it shoots down, which it did, you'd have made money. Can you see how simple this system is? Simple, simple, simple. And we could go to the end, and I could show you not just this chart with, oh, okay, great, this shot down, right? So if this changes, it shot down from here, right, to create this other area, and then, you know, it's going to do its thing. And we'll check a higher time frame as well, number 5 minutes, to see what's going on. And then we'll check some other time frames. But right now, this is setting up for another bang, another shoot up. This is setting up for another shoot up again. Okay. So this is a super duper system that we have the privilege of using. And you could literally trade a lot of things. The top, right now on my screen, just to show you, I'm right now trading NAS 100. That's the top 100 stocks in the United, tech stocks in the United States. I'm also trading JPN 225. I'm also trading Japan's top 225 companies. I'm trading the top 500 companies in the United States. I'm trading gold. I'm trading oil. I'm trading silver. I'm trading all of these different assets. And here's another tool that we have that is so fantastic. This is the Saftey trade tool that sends us messages on what to trade, right? You could see new Saftey trade, 1 minute sell stop, new Saftey trade, Great British Pound, US dollar, 1 minute, We also have this BTC, the NZD, JPY, New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen, buy stop 1 minute. All of that is going on right now, where these green arrows and red arrows are sliding up and down the screen. Let's look at this one that says AUD USD red, pushing down, giving us a 1 minute sell. Let's go and look at that. Let's quickly bring up AUD USD on our screen and see what happens. Let's just expand this, right? It's showing that there's a, well, we're a little late, right? Because when the message came, it was green. See it? Do you see that little green dot right there? Do you see it? You see the little green dot? Okay. Would have put in an order right below this. And did it go down? Did it go down right after? Is anybody seeing that? Anybody saw that?
Yes, I have.
Right. So you would get the message that came because you are hearing the system say new safety trade alert, right? New safety trade alert. So here it told you on the 1 minute time frame, AUD USD is on a sell. And then all you have to do is to go to this, look for AUD USD, and then you'd have done it on time because the message came in on time, right? But it's just that we're doing other things. And when it was green, you're going and putting an order just below here. And then it went down for you to make money. It's that simple. It's really, really that simple. And you would be able to understand how to calculate your pips and stuff like that, right? And there's another one, right? That's just being announced, right? Ethereum, US dollar, Euro GBP. Let's look at Euro GBP and see what's happening there. There's so much, that's why I call this the abundance system. I literally call this the abundance system. This is such an abundance system. See, it's shot up on Euro GBP and we're waiting for it to shoot right back down to give us a win on the 1 minute time frame. We check the 5 minute subscription agreement it is. And man, this is going to be an amazing, 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 amazing week for us that are trading these assets. We're going to be able to make money in both directions when the asset values are going down and the asset values are going up. So this is a wonderful time, a wonderful season for us. And you're welcome to come and join us. As I stated at the beginning, and I'm not trying to sound, arrogant at all, believe me. But what's happening here is that we're going to make money whether you join us or you watch us. We're going to make money, honestly. We're going to make a lot of money whether you're going to do this with us or not. Because, we're really moving well. Our business is growing well. We're doing well as a team of people. And you could come and join us and we make money together, right? Because a lot of us are doing really well in this community because of the technology that we have access to. So you have an opportunity to come and join us, learn how to do this yourself. And if you choose to bring other people into our community, then we'll pay you commissions. But that's voluntary, right? You could choose to just focus only on your trading and make money from your education. Or you could do like what I did. I invited people to come and join first. And as they joined the community, we earned money. And then I was able to use that to pay my subscription. And I got my education free because I still do bring people into the community because I think it's the right thing to do. Because if somebody did not tell me about trading, I'd still be working hard for money. But now I can simply open up this chart, right? Like right here, I'm going to definitely take a trade on Japan 225, click trading, click new order, and then put in a trade. I'm just waiting for the market to open, right? For this red and this blue to be a little closer. And then I'm going to go ahead and put an order in. Ladies and gentlemen, I will be making money over and over and over again. Multiple times this week, we're going to make a lot of money. And I'm just right click, trading, new order, put the order in, make the money. Once the profit is made, I can go ahead and click withdraw and take my money out and use it to pay my bills, pay my rent, buy stuff for my children, take care of myself, and do the things that we need to do to pay our bills. It's that simple. Or I could go and see patients for money. I choose not to do that anymore. I could go and run a car dealership that I've done successfully. I choose not to do that anymore. I could focus only on the marketing side and earn money from that. I choose to not only do that. I'm going to market, but I'm also going to trade as well. So you have the opportunity to choose what you want to do. I think trading is the simplest, most efficient, most effective way to earn money in this world because it eliminates time that we have to be sitting down at somewhere working hard. It reduces the amount of time. And it also reduces the physical energy that we need to use to make money. It doesn't take that much energy to right click, click trading, click new order, put the order in, make your money, and be on about your business. And we're being given the messages, multiple messages every day on why you could trade and make money. Here's another one, NZD/USD was a sell, right? So if you had our technology, you had your own, you just come down here, look for NZD/USD, right? Put it on your chart, NZD/USD, and put it on your chart right here, and then bam, right? On the 1 minute time frame, all right, you could see that was a sell. It happened right here. Okay, let me expand that. You could see it happened right here. When it was called, it shot down, and then it went back up, right? And it's shooting down again. So man, there's so much money to be earned this evening. All right, there's so much money on a 5 minute time frame, another trade coming up. So there's so many opportunities to make money today. Right, there's an abundance of opportunities here, and we will help you to understand how to use the system. Don't worry. I know it might seem a little complicated in the beginning, but it's not, and you'll be able to make money. All right. So with that said, guys, I'm so grateful. Any questions from anybody? Because I need to jump over here to go start trading because the market is live right now. The market is live and wide open. That's why you're seeing these moves up and down like that. The market is live. The market is very, very active right now. Anyone with any questions? Dexter, I hope I helped you with the feeling of being skeptical. I think Dexter dropped off. Maybe it's his network. But ladies and gentlemen, let's go get this money, man. There's too much money out there to be had. Right? Make sure that you have your system, and then we'll help you to get it set up. If you do not have it set up already, you know, you'll get support in helping you to get yours done so that you can be making money with us. All right. We have another presentation coming up at 7 o'clock Eastern, 7 o'clock Jamaica time, 8 o'clock Eastern, with Miss Bridget Button, a barrier breaker leader out of Florida. You don't want to miss out on that. From Jamaica, but she's in Florida right now. You know, and also we have our yacht party coming up on July 1. That's just in a few weeks from now. And a lot of us are already prepared to go down to Florida, including myself, to participate in that amazing event, right? So with that said, guys, it's been my joy being on here with everybody. So it's going to be amazing, right? All right, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. All right, cool. So, all right, so wonderful, guys. Amazing time. All right, looking forward to working closely with everybody. And I'll see you guys on the next call coming up. All right, I'm glad that we do not have any questions. All right, glad that we do not have any questions. All right, so with that said, guys, love you all. All right, I'm in the next video. Bye for now.